Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how you can highlight a complete row depending on the value of one of the cells. So it's very easy to do. This is our data set. First we have to select all data, and it is very important to remember the first top left should be your active cell, and do not select the header if there is any header, and then from here you have to select it in this order, top to bottom. The active cell should be this top left, and if you are working with a table like this, then you have to keep the active cell here and then press Ctrl A to select all data. Then go to Home tab here, go to Conditional Formatting, then select on New Rule, and then select this formula. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Creating formula is very simple. In this example, I want if the status column shows available, then I want to highlight that row. So what I will do is, here I will select this and only keep the $ in front of the column. Remove it from the row number, then equals to, because the status is a text content, so I will use double quotes, available, quotes close, then go to format and then select the color with which you want to highlight it. I will select green color here, then click on OK. Again click on OK, and you can see all the available rows got highlighted. Similarly, if you want to highlight all these out of stock or low stock rows, then again you have to keep this active cell. It is very important, and if you do not keep this as an active cell when applying conditional formatting, it will not work properly. So again I will press Ctrl A here, then go to Conditional Formatting, go to New Rule, select this again I will select this D because our data starts from here. I will remove the $ from 2 equals quote low stock and quotes close. Format I will go here. You can also apply different type of formatting, right? Like you can change the font, change the border. I will make it this yellow color, then click on OK, and again click on OK. All the low stock rows are highlighted. You can have multiple rules. To see all the rules, you can go to Conditional Formatting, go to Manage Rules here, and you can see right now there are 2 rules. You can also apply it to any number also, like if there is a value, $100, 200 number or anything, you can highlight all the cells that have that value or more than that or less than that and things like that. And from this manage rule settings, you can also change the rule order. The rules which are at top will be given priority, and after that the second rule will be applied. So if you want to move the order, you can also select them here and then press the up and down option here to change the order, and then click on apply. Then click on OK and close this. Now I will quickly show you what happens if you do not keep this as an active cell. So let's say I will select this as an active cell, press Ctrl A to select all data and apply this formatting here. And let's say I want to out of stock option should be highlighted in red. So I will go here, in quotes I will put out of stock, quotes close, then format, go to red color here, click OK, then OK, and you can see it did not apply it correctly. The out of stock option here are not even highlighted, and here you can see the available row also got highlighted with the red color, which is not correct. So if I go back to Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules, you can see here the formula got changed automatically and it is not correct. This is why I told you to keep the active cell as the top left one. Only then it will be applied correctly. So I will simply delete this rule, or you can also edit this rule. Usually it starts working. So here the correct rule will be D2. Let's try and apply if it is fixes. Okay, it got fixed now. So if any glitch happens, you can fix it like this, but try to select the active cell as the top left one without the header, and then it will be applied correctly.